Kajing kren bat kajing atai nia halor kajing kapnya jong kasurok hasor Shillong kala thanam bha. Bat kani kaju peteng na kapor shakapor. Bat ban penlong ya katna traffic jong ka East Khasi Hills District ban hap shong perkhat thamai yala kapuit trai kam jan man la kapor. Kat shabalet shabawan amdan mala ban kiar na kajing sakut block kali lani ka traffic jam. Kabalong shabab palat pun bat kabalong ru kadaw jong kajing slam shaki kam ki jam baro hadu ki khna school ru kumju. Halor kene kaman kabadon kajing ekran nakaliang jong kanhun u Shillong Mail u Kyrwoh ka Atiar kala let ban yakendu yo SP traffic bathamai jong ka East Khasi Hills District u Kamakhya Prasad bantua jingtip ke ai kabakatna traffic kadon ha kajing mot jimberkhat bat ban persang kat bala ban pelat ya ka sor Shillong na kajing sakut ki kali nakaliang u SP ulaong ba un persang ban bot din ya kajing terwa kabala bu hakmat daw SP berim hakmat ka sorkar ban bu un yale kat bala baki kali kin ya klam dadon kajing Dheng kali ka Shaba palat puat kabakatna traffic badon arspa nyop saungot ki pulit ha kajing senran jong shispa saungot ki home guard ban yeng hak shispa san potli ki jaka hapo sor Shillong.
As you know that Shillong Traffic Police, we are having a strength of 274 police personnel, being assisted by 104 home guard volunteers, and we have 150 points. All around 150 points in all the locations in Shillong cities. So it won't be possible that we can put each and everywhere in every lane and corners. But we are paying concentration to the main points, and we are trying our level best to ease the traffics, because he has already taken many steps to ease the traffic in Shillong city. And apart from that, he has already given so many proposals which are pending. So my job is that I'm following up with the proposals, like procuring the equipments, the traffic equipments we can procure, and after that we can see some changes. Apart from that, we have taken many steps, like we have conducted the awareness, we are conducting the awareness programs, and also ensuring that the violators are being punished or they are being reformed. So we are taking the number of steps after inspecting with the line departments that what could be done so that we can ease the traffic in Shillong city.
Bakadon kajing kentho baki kali ki barim ki dei badon bhaya ka benta ha kajing sakot ki kali namar kajing sniu jongki hasiteng surok pat haba keli hato kadon kanu kajing berkhat halor kani ka benta USP traffic uloong kani kadai ka policy trai kam jong sarkar komta don EA banong.
Do you see that there is a need to implement the vehicle scrapping policy issued by the government of India last year?
See, this is the state policy, so that I have nothing to comment on this matter.
Hakawai kaliang Kamakhya Prasad uloong kalong kabadon kambha hakawai kaliang baki pat ba ki dei banya trailang ban pelat ya kanong ba Shillong na kajing Dheng kali namar kajing penyang kali kat habalap habasham kadai ru kawai kadaw jong kajing sakut ki kali shu uloong ya menta kum katanat kan pensitom ya ki ba penkhen hakani ka benta.
We are a bit strict this times. Earlier also so many vehicles have been compounded, but we have taken the initiatives that we will go all out. I would request to the citizens that there should be sensible in drivings, number one. Number two is this, for the two-wheelers, they should always wear the prescribed helmets. They should wear the safety gears. They should not overtake unnecessarily, because they are risking others and risking themselves also. Number third is that the teenagers, those who are riding the scooters, they also should be careful that the provision under ME Act doesn't allow them to ride. Then apart from that, I would also request to the citizens that please do not stop the vehicles or the local cab in the middle of the way, thereby obstructing the traffic and causing inconvenience to the others. They should be more sensible. They should stop the cab where there is a lot of space, where the other vehicle they also can flow without any hindrance. So once they will start cooperating, I hope that the there will be some changes and we can make the difference in easing the traffic.